Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with our first hair tutorial. If you guys want to know how I got these bouncy curls, keep watching. So first we're going to start off with this coconut oil that I use. I just spray all over my hair and brush it through. It really just helps from shedding, and it's like a body mist as well, so it's really good for hair and just making your body and your skin feel moisturized. Yeah, it helps from tangles and shedding, my go-to. And now we're gonna just do these 4 pins. I just push them in my wig/wig head so my wig can be secure when I'm doing my hair. That's 1. That's 2. Now I'm gonna I put 2 in the front and 2 in the back. 3. So now I'm just gonna bring out my wand, plug it up and let it get hot for a second. I'm gonna start sectioning off the hair. Gonna get my little clamp and just make a ball and just stick it in there. And usually it stays. It's not even a clamp really, it's just like a comb. And as you can see, my wig head starts sliding back, so I have to put one in the middle at the top, so that's 5. So now I'm gonna section it off, brush it again just to make sure the tangles are out, and then we're gonna start curling. And then we're just gonna start curling the hair towards yourself. So make sure the hair is going towards you on the wand, if that makes sense, as you can see. And I'll let it stay on there for about a good 10 seconds because my wand is on its highest, and I believe that's like 4 or 450, is something in that range. And as you can see, it gets stuck sometimes, so you gotta just do that. And so when you let it go, just hold the curl for a little bit, and it should look like that. And it only looks loose like that because my hair is 30 inches, which I honestly think he gave me more. But we're gonna get the flexi rod, and then you're just gonna make it like a little candy cane. Then you're just gonna loop it around until it doesn't fit anymore. And it doesn't matter if it goes all the way to the little end, it's only a little bit left. You guys can still do the same thing. So it's like you make a candy cane at the top and you make a candy cane at the bottom when you're done, so it won't have nowhere to go. Then I'm just gonna fast forward because I do this all throughout the video. The different techniques I do, I will slow it down so you guys can see. And these are the flexi rods I use. 6-piece, they're orange as you can see. And as you can see with this one, you guys, the hair didn't fit all the way, so you can still keep that like that, but then once the top finished curling, you can still go back and curl the bottom and it looks the same. It will all look the same anyway because it's all getting flexi rodded. So yeah, I'm gonna just fast forward this process since you guys seen me do a few. So this is how the bottom row looks, and now we're just gonna take down the first part and brush it again so I can finish off the top part. And I actually had to end up adding my other flexi rods, which are gray. They're a little bigger and they come in I believe 6 as well. but you buy like 2 packs of each since it's so small. I'm actually curling 2 pieces right now, and I'm gonna actually like brush the top of them together with my fingers so it can be one curl and it doesn't be just like one small stale curl, if you get what I'm saying. Same process though. Yeah, this is what the finished look product looks like. So yeah, we're gonna see what it looks like tomorrow once I like finish all of it. This the little top area. This gonna be my bangs. So I'm having like right bangs, I believe, like a swoop type stuff. So yeah, you guys will see tomorrow. So it is the next morning, and I'm just taking the T-pins out of my wig head so I can apply my wig. Well, I can put my wig on, apply my wig, whatever, however you want to say it. I'm just showing you guys the clamps, the band, the combs in my wig that I just put in my braids so they can stay. My wig won't slip back. As y'all can see, my little gel braids, and I look crazy. And I'm just gonna start to clamp like the comb. Well, not clamp. I need to stop saying that. I'm just gonna put the combs right so it won't slip back. And now I'm gonna start taking out the flexi rods, and I just undo each end and just shake it kinda, and it also needs help. Like it was on the wand, it did not want to come off, and then it just easily fall off after you just do a little something. And I know the curls are kind of like, oh, y'all are like, these too tight for me, but in reality the curls are going to end up falling, so you will be okay. This was just the beginning. You didn't see the ending result yet. And the ending result wasn't even the ending result. It was more wavy by the end of the day, actually, since my hair is so long. It's 30 inches and it looked 20 inches on here. And right here, you're just going to see me style my baby hairs because that's enough. I'm ready to get my hair redone though, you guys. What color should I do? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you think I should keep it blonde. Oop. Right now you just see me putting like a little oil on my curls, because once you start brushing out the curls with your hands, it can get a little frizzy, so I had to do that. And then you also just saw me put got to be glue, and that's just so I don't have any flyaways really. But I'm taking this oil again. I'm gonna spray them on the end of my hair, because y'all see how frizzy that is. Look at the difference. I'm finna show y'all, like, look at the difference. This oil is going to tame the frizziness. Like, y'all see the difference? Oh, well, y'all will. And I changed. I had to go put my lashes on and get dressed for class. So that was the last step. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know. Send me some pictures if you guys try this method. It's really, I don't know if it'll be affordable to a lot of people, but it's affordable to me. So yeah, like this video if you like how the curls turned out, and I hope you guys do your hair like this as well, because everybody, like, when your hair is on point, you feel on point. So don't mind me, I'm just doing what every other girl does, just not on camera, I guess. But thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.